Prices keep going up, groceries, rent, gas, you name it. Inflation feels like it's eating our wallets for breakfast. But here's the thing, our grandparents lived through hard times too, and they knew how to stretch a dollar until it begged for mercy. Today, I'm sharing 28 old-fashioned living tips that worked back then, and can save us big money in 2025. 1. Cook from scratch. Skip prepackaged meals. A bag of flour, sugar, and a few spices can make bread, pancakes, cookies, for pennies. 2. Grow a small garden. Even a few pots of herbs or tomatoes on the balcony can save you trips and cash at the store. 3. Repair, don't replace. Sew a button, patch a hole, fix that wobbly chair, small fixes beat buying new. 4. Use it up, wear it out. Don't toss things just because they're old. If it still works, keep using it. 5. Meal plan. Planning a week's meals cuts down on impulse buys and food waste. 6. Batch cook. Cook big portions, freeze the extras, future you will thank you. 7. Line dry clothes. Sunshine is free. Plus, your clothes last longer without the dryer. 8. Turn off lights. Your grandparents didn't leave every bulb blazing, neither should you. 9. Drink more water. Skip pricey drinks, water is healthier and way cheaper. 10. Learn simple home skills. Cooking, sewing, basic carpentry, skills save you service fees. 11. Reuse containers. Glass jars, tins, boxes, great for storage without buying organizers. 12. Walk when possible. Good for your health, your wallet, and the planet. If you're learning something so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. 13. Keep a price book. Track store prices so you know when something's really on sale. 14. Barter and trade. Swap skills or goods with friends instead of paying cash. 15. Make your own cleaning supplies. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon, powerful, cheap, and non-toxic. 16. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores and garage sales can be gold mines. 17. Hand-me-downs. Clothes, furniture, tools, pass them along instead of buying new. 18. Cook peasant meals. Soups, stews, beans, rice, hearty, filling, inexpensive. 19. Men's shoes. A cobbler's repair is cheaper than new sneakers every few months. 20. Cancel unused subscriptions. If you forgot you had it, you don't need it. 21. Buy quality once. Sometimes it's cheaper long-term to invest in durable goods. 22. Store food properly. Keeps things fresh longer, less spoilage, less waste. 23. Make gifts. Bake cookies, knit scarves, craft something personal. 24. Use the library. Free books, movies, classes, no streaming bill required. 25. Reuse wrapping paper and bags. Your grandma did it. Why not? 26. Seasonal eating. Produce is cheaper and tastier when it's in season. 27. Leftover magic. Turn last night's roast into today's soup or sandwiches. 28. Live by the don't need, don't buy rule. If you didn't need it yesterday, you probably don't need it today. Inflation might be high, but these old-school tricks can stretch every penny and make life simpler. Our grandparents weren't just frugal, they were smart. And in 2025, maybe it's time we borrowed some of those tips. See you in the next video.